Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Can I have your resume, please? Can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Unordered from Kerala, but currently staying in Hyderabad. I graduated my BTech in Adi Shankara College in the stream of Computer Science, Engineering and Technology. I belong to a nuclear family. My father is a self-employed, my mother is a housewife, and etc. ma'am. And my short-term goal is to get a job. And my hobbies are surfing internet and listening to music and etc. My technical skills are Java, HTML and CSS, and JavaScript, and database MySQL. My projects are, I have done two projects. One is banking management system and student portal, which was helpful by students and teachers. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me something about your project?
Yes, ma'am.
You have done two projects,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So either explain for 5 minutes, at least 5 minutes you need to explain. So banking management system or college portal for teachers and students.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
one of the project you need to explain.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, explain.
First one is banking student portal, which was helpful by students and staff. That I was done as in HTML code, ma'am. The main purpose of that project is it is useful for the students and staff. For example, in exams we have to students study as in PPTs, books, materials, syllabus. All the students we have to search as in YouTube. We have to gather all the information. I created one website. In that website, I have to post all the details, PPTs, ebooks, materials, syllabus copies. When you have to click that button, then it will be display syllabus or PPTs or previous question papers. Like that, I have to create it as an HTML website.
Okay. Based on HTML
Yes,
you have created.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That's fine. You have done workshop also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Raptor.
Raptor.
What is the meaning of Raptor?
Raptor is one of the tool, ma'am. Basic HTML like that. Basic algorithm, ma'am. For example, you have to learn logically. First, you have to learn algorithm. How to work as algorithm. Algorithm is nothing but step-by-step process. How to work the program. We have to study in the Raptor tool.
Raptor tool.
Raptor tool. Raptor is tool.
Okay. So you are saying that you will browse the data, right? Your hobby, one of your hobby.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what type of browsing you will do?
Yeah. Why I said hobby? Because every day we touch the phone and we have to search anything, as in WhatsApp or Instagram or everything. So that's why I mentioned that like hobby. Hobby means every day without your touch phone we can't sleep no, ma'am. So that's why I mentioned hobby. Every day I search as internet, as Instagram or Reels or Google.
What you will search?
Yeah, as in study or general knowledge. I mostly study and knowledge only. Because now I am preparing IT sector. So that's why I play Java, HTML, CSS, whatever the full stack courses I'll search as in internet only, ma'am.
Okay. Are you comfortable with which programming language? I think in your resume you have mentioned that you are having Java basics, even Python basics, HTML you have mentioned.
Yes, ma'am. HTML comfortable.
You are comfortable with HTML. So how much rate yourself out of 5?
4, ma'am.
4. 5 out of 4.
5.
Okay, that's fine. So what is HTML?
First of all, HTML is the abbreviation of HTML is hypertext markup language. By using that HTML, we can create web pages as dynamic web pages or static web pages. Web pages means we can create our own web page by using the HTML code. That is the HTML.
Okay. What are the features of HTML then?
The features of HTML is simple. Simple means everyone we can read, everyone we can write. It is easy to understand. Platform independent. That means we have to run as in any browser, not even one browser. That we have run as in any browser. So it platform independent and linkable. Linkable means we have to link one website to another website. that is one of the future. And video and audio files we have to upload our web pages. That is also one of the etc. These features are in
Okay. What is semantic HTML?
Semantic HTML. Semantic HTML is one structure now. It has one structure. By using that structure, we have to create our web pages. There are two types of semantic. One is semantic and non-semantic. Semantic contains table, forms, like that. We have to tags will be there.
Explain the layout of HTML.
Layout of HTML. By using that layout, it was one structure. By using the layout, you have to build one web page. For example, in header file and section file, on the bottom of the web page, it must be a footer. By using that, we have to divide that whatever we have data. That means it have one structure. For example, we can tell like it is a blueprint. By using the blueprint, we have to design our web page.
Okay. What is the difference between HTML and xhtml?
XHTML. HTML is I already told dynamic web page required to create our web pages. XHTML we can store the data and transfer the data. It starts with question mark.
Okay. What is the difference between block level element and an inline element?
Yeah, block level element. A block level element starts with new line. Inline element cannot start with new line. That is the major difference of block level element and inline element.
So what is an IP address?
Yeah, IP address. By creating a web page, we should have IP address. IP address, it must be unique. Every website it has one unique website, unique IP address. Based upon IP address, we have to identify or track easy to track by using IP address. It must be unique.
Okay. So can we take random IP addresses? Is it possible?
No, ma'am, it's not possible.
Okay. What are the latest versions of IP addresses?
IPv4 and IPv6, ma'am.
V6. IPv4 occupies how many bytes?
IPv4. It takes 128, ma'am. 128 bytes.
IPv4.
IPv4.
Are you confident?
IPv6, I think 128. IPv4, it can have 4 bytes.
4 bytes. Okay. So can you tell me about Utac?
Yeah, Utac. By using that Utac, the purpose of Utac is by scrolling purpose. For example, every day we can see a live example, ETV news. It must be scrolling for the headlines. So based upon the Utac, that will be scrolling.
Okay.
If based upon the client, you have to design that Utac. Either you have to scroll upside or downside. It must be possible. Based upon the Utac, it must be created. Best example in our ETV news, it must be scrolling.
Okay. What is an empty element?
Empty element, that must be no content of data. By using BR tag, we can no empty
Okay.
data.
What is the meaning of BR?
BR is nothing but break, ma'am.
Okay.
By break means, for example, you created one website in the body. You created a paragraph. After that, you have to we want some space. By using that BR tag, you created space.
Space, or you will go to new line?
Yeah, it goes new line. It must be break up. That paragraph will be break.
Okay. What is the use of figure tag?
Figure tag. By using figure tag, same common. By using figure tag, we inserted the documents and images. We insert the coding also. What we want coding. By using that figure tag, we insert these things now.
Okay. What is the difference between div tag and span tag?
Yeah, div tag and span tag. The both are we are adding styles now. Div tag contains element block and span tag contains inline tag And by using Utac, we have add CSS style, and by using span tag in there only, we add styles, whatever styles you have. For example, background color, italic, like that we have to add styles. That is my-
Okay. So can you tell me about something list?
List.
How we can represent a list?
Yes, ma'am. List ordered in the list we have two types: ordered list and unordered list. Ordered list means by using ordered list, it must be a structured 1, 2, 3, 4 or Roman numbers or small Roman numbers. It must be a ordered
What
list.
is the tag we can use for ordered list?
Ordered list. OL.
Okay. What about unordered list?
UN.
UL.
UL.
UL. Okay.
Unordered list means we can example we can declare the square bracket, circle, like that is called unordered list.
Your technical round is completed as per now. Okay. So why are you showing too much interest on this position?
Yes, ma'am. Once upon a time, I didn't learn any coding. At that time, I use HTML. Somewhat interest as in web pages, ma'am. So that's why, based upon my interest, I want to learn coding in that HTML. So I want to choose this position.
Okay. Simply you are saying that you are interested in developing side.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So why I need to hire you?
Because I want to learn technologies. I want to one opportunity or platform. So
What are your salary expectations?
I'm a fresher now, so I want experience. Whatever salary I will accept.
Is there any salary is there in your mind? For suppose if I am giving 10,000 salary per month, so will you accept it
Yeah, accept.
as a fresher? Okay, your interview is completed as per now. You just wait outside. Our HR will inform you for further rounds.
Thank you. Have a nice day.